Welcome to SingaporeHome.io. Today, we will be showing you the upcoming residential development, the Florence Residences. A place we called home. The Florence Residences sits in the junction's Hougang Avenue 2 in a superb location where accessibility, reputable school and shopping conveniences are within walking distance. Not forgetting the transformation near the location. This condo consisting of 1,410 units in 9 blocks of 18-story with total land size of 389,239 square feet, with most of the unit are north-south facing. Florence Residences is development by Florence Development Private Limited, a subsidiary of Logan Property Holdings' commitment to develop excellent quality and innovative design, and is well known for its quality developments in China. 1 to 5 bedroom units offering a flexible variety of unit types to suit all lifestyle needs, from singles to families. The future residents of the Florence Residences will enjoy unblocked views such as facing Hougang Stadium, landed estate and the peaceful residential estate. Florence resident just walk 8 minutes, 700 meters, to Kovan MRT or Hougang interchange, which the upcoming cross-island line ready by 2029. Easy access to town area from Kovan MRT station. Driving-wise are very accessible as we are connected to 3 major expressways, CTE, TPE and KPE. Resident can plan the route easily to which way they want to take with the least traffic. Bus stops within 5-minute walk from the compound, along Hougang Avenue 2. For residents who prefer to take bus, Hougang Bus interchange buses that travel to different destinations of Singapore. Families with young children, you have different type of school that suit for your child. Future residents can just head down to Kovan or Hougang where food and market located. You have 4 supermarket to choose from near Florence, where else other location depends on only 1 supermarket. Resident able to buy daily necessity to different mall with their choice and convenience. Hougang Community Club near the condo, public library located at Heartland Mall, walking distance to polyclinics, and resident able to enjoy 2 different sports center. The Florence Residence is the lifestyle of a club and the luxury of a condo. A waterfall greets you at the arrival club. Resident concierge and parcel collection corner, one of the unique features in the condo. Florence Residences comes with a total luxurious and exclusive 128 facilities with 12 amazing clubs to cater for all ages. Resident are spoiled with choice. This site map shows all the different facilities location. It's all well spread across the development. The condo consisting of 1 to 5 bedroom units offering a flexible variety of unit types to suit all lifestyle needs, from singles to families. The smart home living feature at your fingertips, you can access at your home remotely anytime, booking of condo facilities. The smart storage design is a wonderful solution to make ways for your every need. Transformation happening in the near future will create more job opportunities. Will bring buyer and tenant to Florence Residences. Hougang Central will be the MRT interchange for Cross Island Line and the Northeast Line. Resident will reduce walking distance to MRT station to 6 minutes when the Cross Island Line ready in 2029. Based on URA master plan, Hougang Central will have mixed development and residential incorporate with the Cross Island Line MRT construction. The transformation of Defu, Changi, Seletar Aerospace and Punggol will create more jobs, and this will be the future tenant pool for Florence Residences. There are 10 good reasons why you should seriously consider the Florence Residences.